Hello everyone. In today's session, I am going to cover the overview of Oracle Integration Cloud. Definitely this session helpful for the freshers as well as experienced consultants who are new to integration technology. Okay, let's get started. So first we need to understand why we need integration. Alright. So integration required when we want different applications to talk each other, either applications from same vendor or different vendor or some custom vendor. We need a integration. Right. We are going to communicate the data from one application to other application. So we need integration. Let me give an example. If a company taking their customer orders in Oracle ERP application, but end of the day they want to see those orders in SAP, right? In this scenario we need an integration between Oracle ERP and SAP, right? One more example, if a company creating their opportunities in Salesforce, but end of the day they want to see those opportunities in Oracle Sales Cloud application. In this scenario we need an integration between Salesforce to Oracle Sales Cloud, right? So we have a lot of examples where we need a integration. 10 years before Oracle introduced a integration platform called SAVA, Service Oriented Architecture, right? It is a middleware platform where it supports both on-premises and cloud application, right? It's a high-end solution to support the all kind of business functionalities. But Oracle has more interest into the web-based cloud application, right? So in 2015, Oracle released ICS to address the business challenges and deliver a cloud-based web application, right? That is called ICS. So ICS means Integration Cloud Services, right? Oracle has added new features in addition to ICS. So now we are calling it as a Oracle Integration Cloud, OIC. Let's see the new features. So these are the integration key components. First one is the integration. It's a ICS, Integration Cloud Service. Second one is Visual Builder. Next one is Process Cloud Service. Fourth one is Insight. Fifth one is Performance Monitoring. Let's go through the integration, or you can call it as a Integration Cloud Service, right? This is the core part of the Oracle Integration Cloud. So here we can build integrations between multiple applications. We can use adapters to connect with the multiple applications. We are going to connect to the cloud and on-premise application, right? So coming to Visual Builder, this is the tool where we are going to build web and mobile applications. So we can build a custom UI interfaces, all right? So this is about Visual Builder. Next one is the Process Cloud Service, right? So this Process Cloud Service we can use to model, automate and manage business process. Basically here we can build workflow process, right? Your employee approval, requisition approval and your purchasing order approval, right? Whenever your employee raises any request, any leave request, it will go to your supervisor. So that kind of approval workflow will be defined in the Process Cloud Service, right? Next one is the Insights. In the Insights, we can create powerful dashboards that requires no coding, configuration or modifications, right? Next one is the Performance Monitoring, right? In the Performance Monitoring, we can monitor the integration like dashboard monitoring, your alerts and notification monitoring, and we can track the integration active streams. We can audit the logs, right? So a lot of things we can cover under performance monitoring, we can see in the next sessions, right? Now let's see, apart from Oracle Integration Cloud, what are the other integration platform which will support the integrations, right? So we have TIBCO Cloud Integration, MuleSoft Anypoint platform, and Dell Boomi Atomsphere platform, and Azure Logic Apps, and Celizo integration platforms. These are the different integration tools provided by the different vendors, okay? So now we are going to talk about Oracle Integration Cloud, okay? OIC or ICS. Earlier it's ICS, now we are calling it as a OIC, right? So OIC is a part of Oracle Integration platform service. You can call it as it is a PaaS service. It is a middleware platform offered by Oracle. It is a web-based tool. We can connect to the on-premises and cloud application. So by using OIC, we can automate the business process. Right? We can use various technologies, various adapters. Right? So Oracle Integration Cloud is comprehensive, secure, lightweight, and it's a complete integration solutions. Right? So it's provide native connectivity to Oracle software as a service applications such as CX Sales and B2B service adapter and Oracle Fusion Cloud B2C service. Right? It is supporting a lot of services we can see. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about what are the various points which we need to consider before start developing any integration. Right? If any developer or any architect before designing any integration, these are the important key points which we need to consider for your development. So first one is the what is data source, right? What kind of data you are getting from your source system, whether data format is XML or JSON or HTML format, where is that file is located, whether the file is located in any SFTP location, right? So are we accessing the data from any application, are we using any business events? These are the points which we need to consider, right, when we are getting the data from your source system, right? So target system, something like you need to read the data from your source system. You need to send the data to your target system. Your target system is like a FTP location, right? Your target system is any third party application. So what kind of target system we are trying to expose, right? So whether it is a web services, in case of web services, how we are going to test that web services, right? What is the various mandatory parameters, optional parameters required to test that web service, the web services? These are the important points, right? Next one is the transformation, right? Once you ready with your source data and target data, how we are going to transform the data, that how we are going to map the data between your source and target system. Here we can do one-to-one mapping between your source and target, right? Next one is the frequency of data. So once you are ready with the integration, how frequently we can schedule the integration, right? Whether business wanted to schedule that integration daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, or daily 2 times, 3 times, right? What is the particular interval we need to schedule it? Okay. Next one is the exception handling. So it's an exception handling is in common in any programming language like Java and PL SQL, right? So whenever any errors occurs in the runtime, we need to catch that errors and we have to notify to the business so that business users can reprocess the failed transaction, right? This is the very important we are going to cover in our session, on our real-time sessions. Next, challenges means like how fastly you can develop the integration. That means how fastly your integration process all the transactions, right? How we are going to test the integration, what is the various in case of huge volume of data, how we are going to process that information, right? So these kind of things we have to consider before and develop any integration. As you can see the 10 steps that you are going to follow when you are creating any integration. First one is understand your business requirements. Second one is evaluate Oracle Integration Cloud. So we have to know the features provided by the Oracle Integration Cloud. Third one is plan your integration strategy. Here we can design the integration flow. Fourth one is set up Oracle Integration Cloud. So we have to get the access to the Oracle Integration Cloud here. And fifth one is define connections. Basically connections will contain the configuration details to access any third party application, right? So in the connections we are going to select the respective adapters to connect with the third party applications or any cloud applications, right, or any on-premise application. Next one is the design integration. Here we can start designing the integration as per our requirements. Seventh one is configure security and monitoring. So we can enable the security rules, and once you completed the integration, we can monitor the integration. So we can see how the integration is performing here. After that we can test and validate the integration. Once the testing is completed, Once the validation is completed, we are going to deploy the integration to the production environment. The last step is monitor, optimize and maintain. So in the production environment, we can monitor the integration, we can see the performance of the integration.